Welcome back to Shop Talk. Today, kind of want to just talk about everything that's going on the channel and what we're doing business-wise when it comes to Chips Woodworking. Most of our current content revolves around the lathe, and it's going to stay that way for the foreseeable future. I do have a big shop where I can get actually other projects in here, but what drives me and inspires me to come out here and be creative is actually turning stuff on the lathe. We do most of our turning live on stream, and I want to keep it that way, but I kind of want to pull back on how often we're doing it. I'm getting a little burnout doing multiple times a week. Was trying to do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then like one day on the weekends. I think moving forward, we're going to stream on Wednesdays and Saturday mornings. 2 days a week. The Wednesday stream will be a before work stream. We'll get about an hour. That will probably prep us or it'll be the finishing for whatever we're working on the Saturday streams. I want to start trying to tie these together the way if you tune in for a stream, you can see something being made and something being completed. So if it's not completed now, it'll be completed on the next stream. So why this change? Mostly because I need other days to record and do videos like this. I've just been getting way too burnt out on just doing the live streams and editing videos. There'll still be stream highlights and clips coming to the channel, but just not as regularly as we were doing. I had it set up to where there would be at least 2 stream highlights a day going up on the channel, which was great. Going into 2026, I want to make a big emphasis on follower growth and just see how that changes versus how we've changed this year. We've made great strides on TikTok. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers over there. YouTube, we're approaching 1,300 subscribers there, a little bit slower. So I want to focus my time more on doing just pieces like this, shorts that actually have meaning behind them and are not just stream highlights all the time. I also feel like I need to get a little bit more creative in what I'm making. We've been turning small bowls on the lathe, just like this one here. But we have about But we have about 19 bowls sitting over here on the shelf waiting to be completed. These bowls are all for a project I'm trying to get done for 2026, trying to get to our first craft fair to sell in person. But I need more than just small bowls. I need larger bowls. I need stuff that is spindle turned. And I can't just do that by just keep turning small bowls on stream. But why not? Why can't I turn something different on the lathe? The way my brain works when I need to be creative, I need to just sit out here and work. I'm assuming other people are like that. I just can't focus on doing something I haven't ever done before if I'm also trying to entertain you guys at home. So what's going to change? Like I mentioned, streams are going to be on Wednesdays and Saturdays, most likely over on TikTok. I would like to stream on both TikTok and YouTube. And to make it better to stream on both platforms, we're going to need to run better internet out to the shop, which is a big project and will most likely come when we start doing other stuff out here. Number 2, we're going to still keep posting long form videos to come out on Tuesdays. There are a few weeks where we do miss content. I'm sorry about that. And while I don't do that much custom work or custom orders for folks, I do have projects I need to get out of the shop. But I really want to focus in 2026 on more of the art form of wood turning and woodworking than just creating vessels. So I want to take my time and start leaning into other practices of carving on the bowls, doing intricate vases and stuff, doing segmented bowls, those kind of things. We've also acquired a 3D printer. So a lot of things that I'm working on inside aren't really out here in the shop, but they do pertain to what I'm doing out here in the shop. I've already made a few pieces for the lathe, some lathe mounts on the walls for tools, for jaw teeth and everything. One of the first non turning projects and woodworking projects for 2026 that we're going to work on is our back display wall. It's this ugly muted yellow, but we also need to treat the ceiling. I feel like this ceiling makes it look overly dark in here. We also need to move electrical down to be on either side of here and on the other walls, because most of the electrical is ran in the ceilings right now. And then we're gonna frame out behind the lathe probably a slat wall style of build and or plywood or something wooden wise. That's it for today's shop talk. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content or you like stuff we're putting out on the channel, hit that like button. Follow along. Let's enjoy this journey together in 2026 and beyond. And I'll talk to you guys next time.